Tool around town, unpacking a fun English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. In today's video, we're going to unpack the meaning of the phrase, tool around. Have you heard someone say they're tooling around and wondered what they're up to? Well, you're about to find out. Stick around as we break it down for you. Remember, understanding such phrases is a great tool in itself to sound like a native speaker. Tool around is an informal phrase that you might encounter in English-speaking countries. It usually has two meanings, both related to movement or activity in a leisurely way. When someone says they are tooling around, they might mean they are 1. Driving around without any particular destination in mind, just for the pleasure of it. 2. Moving around or going from place to place doing various tasks or activities, again without haste or urgency. It's a phrase that captures the essence of taking it easy and enjoying the process of being on the go. The phrase, tool around, comes from the word tool, which means to work with tools. But over time, tool also became associated with driving or operating machinery, like a car. So, tooling around got its association with a casual drive. It's also a phrase that reflects a certain attitude, one of relaxation and enjoyment, taking things at a leisurely pace rather than rushing. Now that you know what it means, let's see how to use tool around in a sentence. Here are a few examples. 1. We had no plans, so we just decided to tool around the city and see the sights. 2. After lunch, I have some free time to tool around the mall. 3. They spent their vacation tooling around Europe, visiting small villages and local attractions. It's a versatile phrase you can use in many contexts where casual, unhurried activity is involved. Let's practice together. I'll give you a scenario, and you try to make a sentence with tool around. Scenario: imagine you're on holiday with no set itinerary, and you're just enjoying the local area. Got your sentence? Great! Feel free to share it in the comments below, and we'll provide feedback on your use of tool around. And that's a wrap on tool around. We hope you enjoyed today's video and that it added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Go ahead and use it to describe a relaxed drive or a laid-back day of wandering. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English language content. See you in the next video, and until then, keep tooling around with English.